To subscribe is free. To subscribe yet.
Na 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 na, yeah. Oh yeah. Ooh. You say love, and then you push it. You say you don't want I make it, but you're just too late. You say love, but you push it. You say you don't want I make it, that's a big mistake. But I know you come around under false pretense, trying to take my energy, trying to mash up my confidence. But I look to the hills from where it's coming my strength. So when you come with your evil plan, Almighty is my defense. Too late shall be the cry, fully protected by the Most High. I don't care who wants to resent. Come on the phone with your need to repentance. The things you do don't match the things you say. Cause I you say love, but still you push hate. You say I won't make it, but you're just too late. Remember say you say love, but still you pushing hate. You said I wouldn't make it, that's a big mistake. We sidestep them trap.
Then said he asked me to place and then still I look and I tell me so what now I feel me inside. What can I do so?
Well, yes, it means that me done with relationship altogether. When me look for a relationship, we can't find it. So might as well just stay by myself first.
So when you are look for some relationship, that's you can't find where you look.
The men nowadays, you know, see the men nowadays, they don't want take part in and not them want, them breed you and you alone and forgot to clink with the picnic.
So what's wrong with that?
Oh, but because say you love slavery, because you're there with a man and have nothing to give you. And then there's slavery, there's something that you like. I'm not unite with you.
God make woman to do hard work.
What kind of hard work?
Man feel, no say hard work. God make woman to feel pain and a man to do hard work. No man do a little hard work, nothing wrong with that. If it, so what you tell me say?
Me and say, them can at least play a father role once in a while and say, babes, never take the day off today for follow you guys. That's how you breed yourself. And all the while you alone a fair go and mark, you alone go, come on, mama, why you go places with me too?
Nothing wrong with that.
Girl, and some of them man, them a look for woman to give them things. They want woman to mind them. They not believe in a taking care of woman. They want woman to go they go take care of them. I don't know if
Not everybody. Some of them.
Can't go along because you look like you don't like when man give you nothing. Because the little crosses, man, let me hear say you there with him have nothing to offer and he walk and look everybody.
Sometimes I'm be a father chat.
It's alright. You know, it's going to be far. Come here and talk it truth, so it's going to be far.
See, them are winning now, so I know what the party are. I don't know the stuff. We are saying, I run them, I can't one more round.
You know, when you're not drinking, you know, drink it. You drink all the whole bottle of this, so you still want some more to drink again, girl? That's why if you take man to give things that you like, drink and smoke.
No worry about that. At least you're not hungry. You're very full.
So they can have more hungry. So just look at food they want and your belly full.
Yes, I
So me now go home, so me need a man to eat. Me can't eat all part by itself. No one a man to give me nothing to eat.
Go on, Jessica.
Oh, this man.
Wow.
And friends. Thank you, Amos. Jessica, how is Jessica?
What? Here now. Better look over yourself. Right about now, you're not financially stable. You can't take care of me the way my wife take care of me. So nobody look over yourself. Look over this though.
Look over where? Or if you look over here, Sam, me have no man.
That the one that you have a man too.
Listen to me. Take time, walk, march yourself, go over there, son. March, go over there, son. March.
So me couldn't move, so me
March
couldn't
over there,
move, so.
son.
Me couldn't
You
move,
come
so.
catch up in your corner, yeah. You catch us, son. Catch over there, so brother.
She can't go and kill a person. But she take a car, you're hard working man. Look at the man should do that kill a person for an hour.
You don't have nobody that's how you take him.
And one thing me no want to borrow money from girl. So you never do that. Don't do that.
Jessica, you owe your money, Jessica.
Me, you must say
You want
man.
more money, you can't give me.
Cause the one you Jessica, you know, say me pay people, you tell me say no way,
And
Jessica.
like you not tell somebody I said share it, cause dirty man share now girl.
And she a go on so. But still and still, Jessica, you know, say you maybe say, and say me go get one chat to do, nah, lie.
You don't know me no want nobody.
Yeah, but you not for nobody, me not for nobody, we not for nobody. So we can link.
Oh, my kid a draw card.
Look here no man.
Oh, my kid a draw card.
Oh,
Oh, what kind of damn you know that you play? If you pause, mama, all you for the draw card, don't tell me about time.
You don't say every day I'm saying I'm playing.
You know, say right when you want to play, say. After me and I play card pack and go pack.
We are playing domino.
Yeah, we are playing domino regular domino. We are playing.
No. You can't, which way you look here now, you can't afford me, very expensive.
I don't know if you game with your pause. Your pause.
Go on, what do you do? And I tell her, go over here, so she not want a man to take care of her. Our man not getting nothing. Go to school, then walk and make him family.
But Jessica, you may come to and you see me like I said about that. You can't.
But just tell the man say no one to me pause. After the game play.
I'm seeing that tree.
I wish Chris carried this
Yeah.
off the road. I say, yeah, just
Okay.
let's think it's a fire already.
4. Hey girl,
Bartender,
Man,
you want special day? Just one.
my skin they catch a fire for man because what the bar them friend carry.
Me
girl.
pause.
You pause again?
Yeah.
I'm a pause too.
Alright, how much you come?
1 whole year.
How you in there? Eh?
My friend they call me from the Virgin.
I've always drink with her and have no drink with me. What you talk about? Eh? What kind of style that?
No bother with it.
You
A
bother-
long time. I don't.
What you smell so? Junk. Eh?
It don't happen.
You hear that you?
Yes, because.
When I tell you, I'm bridge my link. Oh yeah, jump, so let me go jump it down.
No, it's that.
Is that what? But you not talk.
You know, see my friend from when so she called me, so we go have a drink and they play domino.
And I play domino which part?
I'm bar up just up my red bar.
I'm on the bar. But I'm going to tell you, I'm a bridge, I'm going to hold a drink. I'm going to tell that already.
You never remember.
What you mean, say if I remember? If you don't remember, every time I tell you, I'm start up my thing. You make it sound like a joke business.
Slip my brain, sorry bro.
Remember, say, are you want me, you know? You forget that? And you say you go take care of me. The day when you say I go have money. You remember?
How much money you say you want to take me?
Right now, 10,000 more right now because I have to go a bit of advice on this. Party, youths them. And I can't go rogue me.
Listen to me now, man.
See how the money my forward and now too.
So, you could just take money from her or still me come
Take which
back.
month house and you take out all the money and put in your purse. And where you have got a bank.
Listen to me, you
money,
stop
man.
behave like that, man. You know, like say me not go get money, me I give you money.
Remember, you know, hey, nobody the foolishness.
So show me one girl at this.
No, but
price
that's
and you have to
I'm not
pay.
price telling people that you say certain things. Remember, some used to spend on you, you know. Remember that, you know.
Yeah, you used to spend for me, but now you're not working. You still at the
Yeah, because I invest my money on you and make you start to certain things. You forget?
Me not forget,
Everything.
then that's why every
When
time,
me went to my bank account, me say 0,000. And
then that's why every time when I ask me for money, me give you and I like some complain, me give it to you because me know say help me.
you're not going to leave the house. Huh?
No.
Because you smell, so you really think you can drink nothing more for the evening? Eh? What are you going to do here, though, man? I'm going to tell you so. Drink special the backside. Eh? Drink on special. Yeah, strength. So basically, you have to say, you know, cook. Well, do you this still? Because I'm going to say I can take 1,000 and buy one food and sit.
I think those that you know so much drink when you can't drink so.
No, I'm not spend everything, but I have to have money to make it look like me a flosser. No, don't tell anything already, man. Oh, yeah, let me know.
Stop.
You plan to let me down?
No, I'm not plan to let you down.
And then I go play.
Like you have money, you don't have any money.
What do you mean I go and let me have money, I have money? What you talk about? Are this Miss Smartley?
Me not this.
You go to her and talk that already?
No, I never
So
do
who
that.
are you out to bar?
Me and my friend.
Which friend?
Jessica.
Jessica who go on like him better than people in life? Eh?
I know she just say she's here, but she not.
She know what?
Me not tell her my business.
You sure you don't tell her business?
You there?
Every woman and everybody chat. Everything within claims are secret and a secret. You must tell somebody something. I saw you really
Me
run.
not tell nobody nothing.
So who you tell? You sure you don't tell nobody?
Me not tell nobody. You know, you tell us me not tell nobody. What go on?
Me no walk one. I want me no walk one.
Listen to me.
You
What
see
you
no?
say you do?
Me not tell me I do it. I touch the road and link up bridge right now. Right
So
now.
you have to go now?
What do you mean? So you don't tell the time already. You have to drink from it's when you drink now when the sun set.
Nobody come in a man.
Me not come in a man and don't come in the bar and come take the time and come whisper. I say ready in business. Me not depend on that. Depend on excitement. You know me like excitement
It's
already.
not excitement, it's
It's
just
what?
that when we want you, and that is it.
So now you say me I come, you make it so me not come back here.
Me know so you come back here, so but me want you that the time that that's why me go come and say, man, come.
You can call me and then if you call me, me know say boy, me say give me 10 minutes, I give me 5 minutes. Simple. Yeah.
It's when I say 5 minutes, me the out here, so.
Don't do that again. Don't do that again. You style me and do that.
Oh,
Me's a man. Me's a man. He's not a Manhattan. You understand me? I say, me a man too. Me a man. You get what I say? So just abide by my rules and make love live. You hear me? I say, let love live. And no matter when you go and suffer, but go at me what?
No.
Me tell you about that style already. You know?
I'm not afraid of you.
I'm not afraid of me. Me not gonna fight you. Me know if you do it. Yo, don't do them something.
You can't talk.
Me don't need to talk. Because the words them no so them nothing come out of my mouth. That's why me a stammer. Hug me up, man. You're not too fresh still.
So hug me up back now, you tell me to hug you right now.
Me never tell you me hug you. Me say you hug me up.
So you hug me up. Can I hug up? Give me back my money.
Give up his money. Yo, I stand there really stand me you.
That money you don't hug me up, so when you take my money.
I really stand me. I stand me. Don't do them something there. Come me go down here place and sell out everything out of the shop.
I bet you.
And that if you know.
I bet you.
Let me say I bet you.
I bet you.
Yo, go on in. Yo, come go on. Come go room, man. Go up. Come go up, man. Yeah, easy. Baby.
You could tell when me see you.
Let me say tell me see you. Tell me son come back when you talk about the ranks when you talk to.
No, I
Yeah,
write
for
those
real.
when I talk.
So make yourself tell me when you see me. You know, I'm
Yes,
starting.
Tama.
It means that Mr. Man. Just sometimes my brain goes so, cause you don't talk, you think this is right. So one babes.
Realize.
Where you going with? I miss you. You think about you all the time, you know? You know, long man come board and so, but the woman are going like say no man give me the time to come along.
You and your woman.
Hmm?
You and your woman.
You know what say? When me talk to her, she say I don't know so she come from the bar.
Yeah, she live there now.
You there so?
There for me.
I do.
I play them and drink that one whole back up.
That's why it smells so. I'm busy with her, man. She can't do what she has.
What do you mean?
You're
not busy with that.
not busy with her. You're not busy with me. Me think about you don't know there's something about him.
You can't live in that somebody was
Yeah, me live in a house. But you know why I live in a house? I soon left from me. You understand me? So me have my place and but true. You are work down here, so why me have to done so with you? You know, that's that I go on. So when the parents left the bar, I will count my own bar that me talk about him. Listen.
This all the fires I can make it like work for people.
You know that, not that.
I'll make other people work for me. That me work for people.
So what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna do that. So we're gonna go 2 hours.
That 2 hours they no sound right.
So we can't sleep, the person can't sleep. So but I bring up. You keep on bring up something to sleep in the yard.
I know you decide to look your right now.
No, me I say it's still there, no it's there. I want your brain. You smoke and drink and suck, you're gonna let your mouth start.
Hello, you see when you talk to me, you put anger for your talking. This is not your woman. You feel like you can raise a voice. No, raise a voice after me, can go high too.
Come on with that. It's sorry about that. So I just previous anxieties. Anxieties are no brain and that kind of thing.
Hey, don't do that again.
I'm sorry.
Don't do that again, don't make me scared.
Just have
Why you have to mess up them for? I want to see you.
just have anxiety. Come in, man.
It's not serious.
Hmm?
Why you should put them place for?
No matter much you play, just miss it. That's all. You can't go back. Come on, man.
You think you deserve a hug?
I mean, we must deserve a hug, especially for you. The most thing to do for you.
Much things I do for
We
me.
get the money. We get the money for you.
Which money?
You see money, you see one. Start to you.
How do I get that from?
You see one day here. Eh?
Yeah, you said one me here, but where you get it from?
No, we won't get it.
Suppose a thief, yeah.
This boy have a thief.
Me not
You
know.
got a thief already there with? Eh? Yeah, listen, man. Trust me. Just trust me, man. Believe me. Believe me.
Me never said, me not believe in
Believe it. Hey, there's no set. This a boy have everything locked, covered.
I make it sound of that.
I mean, in Patrick, you know. Okay? Nobody can trick Patrick. Yeah.
I'm a phone ring. So why you move so strong? What happened?
So who call you?
How are you back, sir?
Huh?
No, all we have here, somebody, how me know who call me?
No, but you expect a call?
No,
So you can't break a neck like say it's very
because
important.
of my phone.
Man, that's something that drop down upon you coming out. Can't go to hospital coming out. No care.
You see who you talk to? Yeah, no, look for me from head to toe.
Sorry.
Hey, let me go, man. Can you come?
I'm sorry again, Mama. I'm sorry.
You love to be sorry?
I'm sorry.
Oh, I'm sorry.
I'm sorry.
I'm sorry.
I'm sorry.
I am so sorry.
But
No,
I'm sorry.
no.
I'm sorry.
Don't play with me.
Oh, something say I'm not sorry. I'm sorry. Come on, man. So listen. People come here and buy drink. Let me say some more. Drink me feel wrong and stuff. I don't feel good, superficialistic, SPL. So just you know, I think already. Like every chain buy no.
You have to make everybody know so you buy the little
like
chain.
me alone less but everybody. Yeah, you want money?
Where you get money from?
Well, you keep on asking where I get money from.
Where you get money from? Are you working?
Don't worry about it.
Are you working?
I am working on something.
That's all right.
Just lift it this. So, you get what you forget? Answer my question. You get what you forget? You get what you forget? Answer me. That's all matter. Tell us one of them day me I'll go somewhere nice. You know what I mean? Put on your lights, go swimsuit, make you swim around. You know what I mean? No, you don't go pool, river or sea. No, we don't
You
go
know,
sea.
sometimes you feel like you're paranoid.
Paranoid for what? If you want you have fun and enjoy yourself in
No
life.
one on that. I know how you react
What me react?
to things.
Like how? Anxiety? You think anxiety in my head already, my anxiety mind. You never know? Huh? You tired? I mean, I'm going to link up and drink and... Oh, man! I don't feel like you want me. You want me? You want me or you want me? Talk to me. I do everything for you. Oh, see you. See? Get up there. What do you think, guys? See?
send a little money come give me the 1 and 2 times. But I feel like say I go come to Jamaica, you know, and I my place I go come stay. No, man, I have no space for that. You need to book your hotel room same way. And if I see you 1 or 2 times at the town, I see you about it. No, but I feel like you give me a little money. And I feel like some me involved. Because number one, I not come and Frank come live. So that make no sense. You're not going to leave your work and come to Jamaica. So what you say? At first, you know, I'm going to tell you something. At first, when I interested, you say you never want nothing serious. So now that I'm not interested, I don't know where you come about. What you mean you come to Jamaica to me? And I mean I come to. I don't know where you're coming to, but it's not me you're coming to. You mean I tell you? So you come to Jamaica, you book your hotel, and not me I come to. Look here now, I can't talk to you now. I have to do something. Yeah. Alright.
Boy, this is easy, rolling that bloody man. Ask me, man.
Me?
I mean, I think you don't know, say, people that say, which day me here say they have Western collect over 100,000 and then they nearly block you. And then when they nearly block you, you beg and tell them, say, it's what? Charity money. You remember? Eh?
Why you like people business though? Oh, you know my business.
I'm not that. Your business always comes straight to my ears. You know,
just like how you wanna come straight to my ears. Brother, I can kill this and what this so. And I'm supposed to grow, you know. You think me not know here where I put them me sit up the road. I play that me with your woman she. And she got talk about man I look at her about man. She always junky, you know. So nobody feel like I alone. She don't know what kind of crosses that they gonna pick up. You're crossing and she crossing. You never look a good woman, sensible woman pick up. You ever take a drunkard? You gamble, she drunk?
You listen to yourself?
Yeah.
Eh? You listen to yourself?
No, I'm not listening.
What you sound? You sound corrupt. You sound dunce. You sound like a them people. Hmm? What you mean?
Which people?
What's the market? Eh?
Better you can take a job at market and sell something. It means you don't have something to give woman. That means you don't have to take no more man with you. You have to work this and care. You don't know where you get the lifestyle from.
Come out of my business. My business is my business. If she can take care of me, she have to take care of me now because we know the situation and what going on. You know, my son money have me things. Eh? But me invest in she. You know? You know the part
there? In a junk, you know what? You're wicked and lie like an ass. Hey, make you wicked. I mean, I talk, you know, I'm your sister. So you don't have to tell me a lie. You know where invest the money in when they have the money? The big batty brown girl will run got a foreign life. You forgot?
You chat too much. You know the story.
Look at family,
you know too much of the story, you know. How I want one phone connect to me house or same thing, one satellite.
Yes, just like we know my business, so I know your own.
So how you know what I want there? Eh?
Like really?
What do you say like really?
How
you know about she? You have the ears cock off every time.
Yeah, this one you know. She have to walk a drink rum to or she have to take care of you. She not have it and she have to struggle to take care of you. She not have other reason more that you drink rum and take things from other man. You have to stop to never grow them way.
She take things from what?
From other man.
Who will take things from other man?
No, your woman.
I take things. Hold on. I lie at you, don't you?
What me not tell her?
Laugh, man. I joke, yeah, man.
Me not joke.
I joke, yeah,
man. What be joke? Alright, then talk.
Me say a joke, yeah, make.
Who what?
Jesus Christ, she take, she
work? Come here, I'm asking a question.
She do. She take money from man to joke?
She must have take money from her, you now work for girl, no. She take other man money for come cook give you money for go gamble, all of them something. When you ever get a job?
Chat too much, I come to my business. That's if you do.
Hey, me chat too much, me come to your business. Me ask you a question, when you going to get a job?
Whenever you tap chat, anytime you tap chat and chat too much and come to your business, at that time you get a job. You think you know about, as I say, you know what for business, you know? I'm just see you say, man, I will come from foreign. So you finally get like a woke up. Agony. Look up at the agony, how going on now?
Agony when? Where, oh, and when?
Eh?
I tell you something, me don't want nobody. No care what them give me, don't want nobody. Because you see this a dog, you see this a man where hear me talk to?
Oh,
you see me just talk to him, and the man me like him and all of that. And the man say, you know, him tell me say, him say him wife broke him heart and him not want a relationship. Him not take nobody serious. I know him want me to take him serious and mad.
Yeah, because in life, you have to understand, say, we as man, we talk things, you know, but you know, when we find the right, good, you know what I mean, we change our mind right away. But this is what I say, come out of my business. I mean, come out of your business.
No, come out of your business.
As simple as that.
You get to me, I say? My brother, you have to do better. You gotta look at job, man.
This boy have to do better. So make you not go look at job and stop making man and send you money to pay your light bill and bill.
You forgot?
What kind of job you have?
What do you mean what kind of job you have?
Online work and a job.
Then what? I either pay me,
but on a job. Go get up out of your bed, brush your dirty teeth, and go on and work and go. That's what you do.
Then look here. Miki, you want an online job, but at least you have something to do. That means woman will walk our street and take money, sleep with other man, and take the money, bring come to you.
Online job? Alright, listen to me. I say, I don't want an online job, but I don't feel kind of lines. I like them things that, social media. No, see.
And you're kind of like the dirty kind of life where you live now for your woman walk and take man.
Shut them out and leave me.
And show this.
Shut them out and come out of my
Nah,
business.
come on.
You hear me I say?
You're not feeling
Me not fear one. Yeah,
Sorry.
man, belch, man. Belch off the cross,
Because
off
the
your chest.
mommy would have must have turned in her grave to see her son act like a gigolo.
Eh? Okay, because me no gigolo. Who you call gigolo? Hey, Mr. Stop calling me gigolo. I'm going to tell you something like and sit there, man.
Alright, sorry.
Me can't listen and call me gigolo.
That joke, me.
Let me say a joke, yeah, me tell you instead, man.
But hold on, let me ask that question. For true now, for true, for
Look
real.
for me cheer, this is how I'm doing it, so. You don't love me, look for me cheer. I want to get this out.
Me come take that vibe from this man. You know, say dramatic.
So when me can take up me cheer, you ain't, if me never pass in a place now, you know, get up, you're doing a phone call now, get up and gone. And spend on TV.
Nobody not TV. Nobody have TV your things. If I didn't see their things, them now.
So why you use my things then for? Don't use my things.
Tell us something now. Big and serious now. Yeah.
What?
I go look at work.
You must stress for work. You have a work, girl? Me say, you have a work?
My online work.
Me say online work and a work.
And to pay me? I find them make it much money. What you mean by on work?
Wait till the internet crash. When internet crash, more you say you got to work. Yeah?
Data can't crash.
Data can't crash.
Data can't crash.
It can't
But
crash.
right now, I'm not on my internet. I'm on my internet. I'm just done work and come out to come sit down.
You know, she say,
Hmm.
some boy around some of the thief, they wire, and then pop down. Suppose they never catch them and never fix it. What you don't do?
Me da use data, you know, listen, data.
Data.
Did you say that line, data? Yeah.
You hear me say line? Oh, you know.
You know, I want the line crash, my phone not crash.
What on business?
Me not going to your business, go look
Don't
one
go
job.
on my veranda and take up my chair because I did it. You hear
Look
me I
one
say?
job that me say for go do.
Left me yard alone. Simple as that.
Aye, remember say me no want you so to live. Remember me no want to live here so.
So what that mean?
So nobody go on like a your place alone.
So what that mean? What that mean?
Remember not your place alone.
So what that mean?
How are your places?
So what that mean?
Remember now you come out.
Who
You, if anybody come out, you come out.
Mommy tell me say, for one thing she know, she not give none of her girl putting them nothing in regards to assets because guess I know she don't want to go carry man and the man go carry in generation and take away her things. She said she want her a thing to live on with the man them. What? Guess I know you. Imagine she get the place and you know what carry one man and the man go take up the place and say me can't come back here. The man. Mommy knows that I go on, you know.
But a
What
good
a good
thing,
thing
say, you see me independent, I don't want no deadlift. You go look at work and that's what you go do. Down on my yard.
You gone in your yard? Eh? You gone on the people in the yard, you see you? Bambai, where you are, we see.
General, father, what?
Mad man.
Yeah, man, where you go? Like you go down, go with one cool out.
No, me go, you know what I mean?
Where you go cheer?
No, you know, my sister, she take me cheer out of my house and I told her, I said, don't do it, I said, I like them people in my yard. And, you know what I mean?
True.
I want like they want to, screw up my yard certain way. You know what I say?
I seen so other day me have one girl of me yard till my for month, you know.
Mm.
I text me yard, me know brother, everything me have now fit brother, you gotta shell it, brother. You know me that man love my food, brother. Me buy 2 pound of flour, brother, girl them have 1 pound.
Mm.
And then the next pound for me, brother, and Friday next morning.
Rough. That's what I get, like a weed whacker.
Brother, me I tell them you, so what go on and the girl them different. Me know if your thing come now, what go on for the bartender done there.
So you know what the bar thing?
Brother, you know what thing go, brother? You know news starts, news traveling out here. You know that already. Everything I want me about it, brother. You don't know that.
Don't go with me and she is because I'm like a friend.
I mean, it's a regular done there beat her now.
Beat
Sure
her.
not beat her.
Beat you. This a boy beat you.
A regular me used to done there beat her some boop, back, beat, back.
Not like that.
Some left right, some left right, some left foot.
Brother, I say nothing like that, my lad. We are stressed for that. I'm gonna beat a man king.
Brother, I don't want you to beat no man. I don't want you to go to jail, brother, because you know things set to jail and go to jail for woman and go kill her in there. More things are going, brother. You know what I mean? So there, brother, just go on fresh and say me I go on easy. See me?
Good vibes, that's still.
You want to walk one differently.
Let me tell you, they are going with it of course. Enough things are going a certain way. But we just wait until, you know, the
So
father.
I want and money thing.
Eh? Money alright, man. Money alright. I have my source, so I get my money from everything nice.
One, the amount that you was. No, some man that you can. Nothing about it. Come to me, come on. Can't go. Me know what I want. One sit down, have us.
No, brother, yeah, make the things man. We know road boy. Oh, you know so much things, brother.
Listen to me, I say, brother. You are in a yard. Make sure you see a good man in a yard. Make sure you see a man live good.
Yo, let me tell you this now. You see the line there? Don't cross the line.
What you say to me, Bingy?
Listen to me, I say, man. Don't cross the line. That me I say.
So look at me, look at
Look
you.
at you.
What you mean?
Yeah, what? My father?
I'm your father.
Yeah, my
But
grandfather.
your virgin brother must get talk to each one.
You can't talk about that, talk about anything else, brother. That me I say. You make it sound like say, are you are the governor for every information what you're not supposed to know.
Listen to me, I say, bad man. As a virgin to virgin must can look out for the virgin.
Look out for your virgin, man. Look out for your, yo, drink your drinks, man. And smoke one more fast.
You know what?
That's a
you know what?
Let me say
You know what? I'm not getting good advice.
Let me say good advice. No,
You see
me
me?
don't want to advice for you, brother. Because you make it sound like
Why
say.
you do something, brother?
Me I do some things.
What you mean?
You do some things right now where in a manly.
Cause you some bucket too, you know.
Bucket
That me
too.
try tell you, you know.
Me I be a shoes me wear, brother.
You don't understand still. Here, I grow, you grow.
Me a
Like
grow.
you fully grow.
Me a grow, you don't grow.
You understand?
Misunderstand. Understand, say just left out of my business. Say, I mind for your business. Say, want to feel Jezebel then. Eh? Them a cooperate with your Jezebel lifestyle.
No, but
eh?
what my lifestyle? My lifestyle is big and young.
Big and for me.
Hear me, I tell you. That, you see, I work on slippers with that, and Jesus slippers.
You know what
we're
Jesus
not
slippers?
Alias style, you know.
Alias
It's an
style.
old man style I live in. I'm going where I go in a rasta. I show my rate up on a long time, I look out for you, I go like, I want to see you, man.
Everything good. Yes, sir. Just no set. When you see me, you see me then, sir. Simple as that. Remember, say me a pass,
No,
you
you know
stop
what?
me.
I'm sorry for top
Remember, say you see me and walk and you stop me.
So go on.
So that me right now.
Go on in your
You
yard.
snap it right now.
Lift up and go.
Me full lift up.
That's all.
Everything good. Oh yeah, the style, I say style me. Knock out
Rasta,
your belief ball, you say no. You think about
Knock
this.
out to Rasta,
Hey,
go
man.
on.
Brother,
I
you see
want
me
you.
walk.
You know what?
I'll be one look at time. Don't do that again, brother. Leave me alone. Simple as that. Avoid
I
me.
think I'm going to make your man a bunny.
Which one wanna bun me? Bun who?
Not that, you know.
Man wanna bun me?
Not that, no. Wow, yeah.
That is out your mouth a while ago. You sour mouth.
That you want to hear, but I'm not telling you nothing. Who one friend my bunny with? She not even know. The same pillow we are sleep on, the same pillow your friend lie down on. Same pot you cook out, the same pot your friend cook out.
Where's out your mouth?
You go on.
Huh?
Cut long story short.
Cut long story short.
Bush obvious.
Bush obvious. Eh?
Wall of the eye.
Remember say I mash your chop bush. Yeah?
You know what go on, man. Stand me. Bun without cheese, I get. Boy, I tell you, them don't have them.
Oh, sorry.
Well, Empress, good afternoon. Alright. Okay, so what's up now?
What I mean, what's up?
You know you're flirting yourself.
I don't understand, you know.
What me do now?
You know what's me here? I deal with one. Me in our business, right?
Yes.
And we have it on a low. And you the run out about to me, man.
Wait,
I tell me, man, say me I give him bun and
me?
what kind of
This a
lucky
boy,
style that?
wish for me if you go down and see fame and I go tell the man say you get bun. You like an informer to you?
Listen, me and the on the phone and tell me say you want to catch up. When
No,
you come
sir.
down there and tell me say,
No.
yeah, you tell him say me I
No,
give
sir,
him bun.
no, this a boy, probably a yes, more somebody else, but not me.
Make sure you
No, sir, me not.
And
Oh
don't
God,
rap
baby,
with me,
baby,
no.
after me love you, I say, oh, me forgot tell the man that man, me I eat that man. Eh? Look for me, say me a gangster. You see me like me love Susan Lippy. That me no informer.
Gangster, me just want to make sure.
No, sir, man, me loser, you know, man. Right now, like you have me as a motor master, and me chat too much or something,
no, me
man.
not have you as that, but the way him say.
You can't listen, man. One time man talk something you can't be to believe them, you know. And I love girl knock on and girl knock on and come around knock on and try to get question, you know. And say them do this and say them do that, you know. You understand? But you know me love you until me can't really go do that, you know, baby. I'm for go do that. Eh? I let me myself. I'm gonna do that. I don't want to lose you. I don't want to lose a nice man like you because how far we are come from.
Exactly.
You see me?
That's
I know
my
how we
point.
hide and do we look at thing around the corner. There nobody no know. But everything they like hide. Me not like hide and seek business, you know.
So we are to do. Remember some me have a man.
They say anything in the dark shall come out to light. I'm not like hide.
No, come on, can I like just keep it this way.
Keep it, me not like hide and seek. Me come like a box bunny and climb right now. Want everything for their seek. Want everybody see everything. Because if you're married people, I see everything, you know.
Mad.
You mean mad? 3 plan on my face.
No,
Eh?
tree, no
Oh, you walk up and down with that little thinking Rasta boy there. Eh?
Yeah, pass the place now, relax.
But me some do things more than how him do things, you know.
Yes, sir, you want to take care of me and you give me
All the
money.
place done the way, all the shop done there. I saw Mr. Key last time. You check all Mr. Key, 400 toes, Mr. Key from head to top.
You
So,
know that, so when you are going to for you, make everybody know business.
me not make everybody know your business, but you as me as informer like a red call Rasta boy more than me, and you know, nothing you come in and take money and go and buy business. Where am I doing money? Look for the house. House want paint, look how long your house not paint. You live night with him. I can't run him out.
Me I try,
Tell
but
him go up, man.
me I try, but you know what, like things like you want to stuck up the day.
But listen now. You say you want to stop them. Me can't run him out for you, you know.
No.
Me can't go mother go link mother and make mother do something, run him out.
What is it?
You know, boy, stand there. I go away.
Stop it. Stop it.
At time no man more fully response to my boundary line. No one not thinking that about response to my boundary line. More response now.
You
A
need
time
to-
now,
you need
time
to
come.
stop. You need to stop.
A election are coming, no time come, so time come now.
This is not election. You not run me like PMP. Like,
Right about PMP and Labour right. PMP and Labour time come now. The time come for me movie, me close them. Eh? All along me I talk my phone. Me can't manage that man. Sometimes me I talk on the phone, me fall in love with the voice, still me get all honey. You feel like a joke me and make. You laugh.
listen to me. You need to stop this bullshit right now.
So where you go now?
And you make all look for.
So we say we are going to host like watch flat screen TV, it toast better and jam. Yeah, man. Me out. Oh, you mean?
No, if you do that, remember say people they watch. Remember say we do pan a low, you know, you can't do
One
that.
hug. One. Don't tell me that, man. You as me as a fool now, you know.
Me not be as a fool, but me as a
You know, say a girl now grown me.
But a public, you know, you want me over pay in a public.
Nobody knows, no eyes, no look.
People will say bush have ears. See how bush have ears, bush have. Listen to me. Relax yourself.
You know, say I treat me as a fool now.
Me not treat you as no fool.
Cut long story short. Right now, me have a big mission, you know, to go on right now. Far, we up in the Middle East.
What you mean, for your man,
Listen.
you can't go, you could wait. When you go, who go take care of me?
Listen, man. Me go, and when me go, everything I got alright. See, me not have an account.
Yeah, me have me
Eh?
account.
So me not have an account, so me not can transfer money from my account to your account. You know, for about that, man. Everything safe like a pin, you know.
I don't trust this, you know. I don't trust this.
I got everything covered.
You go find that girl.
What you talking about, man? Are you give me special need and give me, you know, good old bend up in the back and something. Are you say bend up, you know? You know, so when you say bend up, I say stand up. Alright. So this what me I say now. Say no, you go. I feel love you and care for you. You see me when you say jump, me say oh hi.
Listen to me, me have to go walk now.
Alright, listen to me, I say I'm gonna send the money to your account soon as I reach up, so. You understand? So me know say the shop wants some more goods and all kind of goods that run out and things. So I make you comfortable and alright. I'll make sure so me not come back once the Rasta there.
Me try to get rid of him.
What me say if you do?
Get rid of him.
Alright, so me know y'all learn now. Get real of him.
Good evening.
Where are you going?
I'm tired. You know where me I walk from?
You see like you will wear dash down fire. Yeah, I want to come on a stagger.
Girl, me drunk your far. You know, say one bottle of me drink.
3 back me go. Unless me a so.
So no more.
Me a drink water, me a drink drinks and it come like say nothing now good in my system.
So
All
no
the
more
soap.
around there.
No, no more rum.
Why? Why me have to go? Girl, you know, say me and friends for a long time, though. You know, say, any trustworthy thing when me have to talk about, you may come to and talk about it, though.
Yeah.
Can't talk to nobody else about it. I don't know, say, your business when me have, right? You know, go with no, you know. So me have to pick up and look man pan inside. You know, Brads? Yeah, me have to start talk to Brads. You know, say, piece of man when me have him now. And every time he want money, he want be a 10,000, be a 20,000, be the money that me have to take up give the man.
Hold on there. Who for name just call?
Brads, the boy,
Brads, you pick up on the side?
yes, they give me good money.
No, man. No, sir.
What
Don't you thinking Brads you pick up? You know what kind of work Brads do?
kind of work you do?
Girl, them man the way you go pick up. That them man the way you go pick up. And a good company that. And a good company, my friend. If you ever know what kind of work that the boy they do, you put him down faster than how you pick him up.
Right now, I say I live far and I go to a far place. So, me I tell you the truth, I don't know how everything will go, you know. I don't know how it go work. Because the what list boy, they don't do nothing.
Alright, then if him a go far places, where you want to go far places with him too?
You mad? Me I go back
Go
and
give you one little hint stills. You see, Brads, if you want your life to end faster than how you have it now, make people see you on Brads. Make people see you with Brads.
Jesus Christ, how what is me pick up on
Hey, I call you that name in a vein now. Don't call your name yet. I call your name yet. If your mad mind tell us, say, fee, go there with Brads, if full away and put on that man there. You go see what go take place.
No,
That the time they can call out Lord Jesus Christ.
What
Remember your friend Pinky did tell her that. Yes. I have one saying to stick to the evil where you know. Right.
Jesus, wait, me can't.
So what you do? You plan to struggle out with the little man? Or
that
you
me
plan
I
to
forgot
go
do.
or you plan to go in or something where you can't come out of? Which one you plan to
It
do?
better me struggle out with the look one that me have today. Than to go end my life faster than what me think.
You see me, girl? I'm tell you something. Life hard. You understand? And we can get any man we want. You understand? And man out there want me like Mackie right now. You understand? So me not have time for man because the last man me there with a killing. Cause me don't know why the bad man they ever they find me. I kill the man. And you know what people they say? If people they say, me not no luck with man. Me salt. Like I meet the man they say, if you go do their foolishness and then me find out when it told me.
When you told me it.
Yeah.
I
I want time.
to you.
Yes, my friend. I want time. I man go in through the door and put this in my head. And I say, girl, if me can't catch a man now, Lord Jesus, me say me have to strip naked.
But what?
Me have to strip naked and say, what you want? The man just turn out and go and business. Me not laugh. So you must know.
What you say you have to do?
You have to strip naked, girl. Come as you are, see as you like. So me say. Yeah, so that's my advice, girl, for that man there. So, no bother with you.
No, so me I listen to you, okay, you know, so yeah, all the friend me have for me can talk about certain things. I could have wall in the back if me didn't wall in that, them would have mad. But the other say me I walk on the street, my friend.
But why? I get ready to go and touch the road still.
Alright then, in my laters.
Yeah, the way I know.
Yeah man, so we link, you know?
Yeah, get ready to go touch the road. Yeah, if they're going to kill me. Look at it.
They say that won't make it if they can't get full control. They say that won't make it if I don't plan to sell my soul. I've got news for you.
Now let me see a thing America come back.
Yes, I've
See a thing think America come back, you know, what go on?
Not that thing me there. Somebody tell us me come on here, forgot?
The brain, man, the brain. Actually, we call America just tell me sitting.
Tell me some more.
Jesus. See?
Come girl, yeah, I think some me.
No, my friend, I don't find it. No, I don't find it.
You come for that, sir. Has me understand.
You ever go on now? America, you know what I'm saying, happy man. You go pick up one side man. And if you ever know who is the side man when you go pick up, you drop down.
Which side, man?
Brads.
I lie. My friend I lie, you tell.
I don't like me to tell. My officer to this girl say, you know who is Brads? You know what kind of work him do? She don't know that. Me say if you want your life to end faster than how you have it now, go make people see your name. True, you want fast cash. Go make people see you and him. And that me tell her say.
Man, come what this brother him. What do you mean to him? I take a look at work. Him ask me say if the work on me do I work. If stay when cut me know when this bloody man over to them this kind of you know. If staying at home, if that's a work, that's not a work, you know when them kind of work, they work like a stressing about the person. So I say, but if you did get a work where you can work and give woman money, should I take man with you? Himself go time business and let me take on the woman.
Alright, you're going know. If him no want work, I saw the woman left them. I saw the woman left them, but at the end of the day, woman if you work too. But she are working, but her business slow for her. But slow progress is better than no progress.
Exactly.
So I mean I tell her, I say, girl, you have to just go and roll out with him. I understand? Because I'm sure no say if you need up, you wouldn't give her everything what she want. You understand?
That's why I'm going to look at work, girl. That's why I'm going to look at work. But me not understand enough theme lifestyle. Him now work, she nothing barely go on the shop, and she a drinker and him a gambler. How them work it out?
Girl, me no know. And so she come and go ask boy if me have no rum left. Me say, girl, me have no rum left, and me well I know so me have 2 backlog on my bed. Me can't support nobody with my hard working money, girl. Girl, I know boy if it clean hotel. You hear that? I know me dey on leave, so I have to save my money, I have to chump it up. So when I buy 1-2 bottle of rum, that will serve me for a couple months. So I sip again.
But well on there. Should I say rum in a shop?
She drink it out.
I mean, I know. My brother him careless and him pick up somebody with careless. How them work it out? So what they tell me now say them see she and him attack. But them see them attack more than one time and them don't know if them involved. So she don't want to say them involved.
So you never tell me that I just know.
No, that you are look at my remember saying no to me for work, you know. But when I remember the girl that said to me one day, so what are we your sister-in-law up with her brands? And I said, yeah, that boy. And she said, yes, your sister-in-law, I see them, but I don't want to tell her lie on her. Because I only see them pass them 2 times attack.
Massa do.
Jesus. My brother in now. Me no business with them.
You know what?
No business with them.
Me no real business with nobody relationship, you know. But me just make you know say, I can't believe that is a side man that she go pick up.
But girl, what you know, me can't believe so because she know what kind of work Brad do and how him stay and all of that. So you understand, but it's a desperation and you know your shop not produce enough money and this money for gamble every day. Wait, expect. I tell him what they know. But that's why they tell them have manpower, kind of work less. Here no, him used to give her. You remember the big batty brown girl when him used to up where him get one of money where run gonna find? You remember though?
Remember.
I got tell me about remember so when he did up, him get the whole money. I say not she. The big batty brown girl where they were gonna find and she take all her money. So you talk about. My brother come like him a short term member or something wrong with him.
I say, you know say. I mean, brother quickly there, you know. I'm seeing sitting there, yeah. And in tablets, yeah.
So,
son.
Yes. Like when you get laid when you're not gonna, what you gonna do? You want me bust up on the little stay at home work? Or you go back to work somewhere else? What you want?
I bet you bust me panic because you want to sit near.
Yeah, girl. Because you want a headphone now. That's
So
all you
I
want.
see me,
I have and the internet up.
The internet up, girl. Me tell us, girl, me spend my money wisely, you know. You see, everything for my comfort, me have that. You understand? Yeah.
All thing I buy now, I want earphone, one them with the mic on it. That's when you talk to people and you can't hear you. Let me go through them for 2 weeks and pour yourself.
Okay.
So I'm just going to tell my supervisor, tell us, I don't want to work. She
You know, so
contact
I have one in the storage room.
Oh, you have one.
But that if it a work, cause a long time you put on.
Try it. When we go up now, I go call her and tell her, say, I have a further interest in the work. So she'll call you and she'll go put you on and I'm going to start trading for 2 weeks. Meanwhile, they trade, you'll get paid. So better you go and do that, girl, more than a slum and not do nothing.
Alright, later, call her now and sleep.
Alright. Big up yourself.
Yeah. Yeah, man, make it on this, so. Then she not easy. You know, this one friend no sense. Eh? We are come to them but work for you. Just see me lay for work. Come like I must see what my maga and I was like, my maga. Rubbish. Me have money in my bank account. Can't serve me right now.
Listen, me asking man, you know my stand already, you know.
No man, next thing police pass.
What kind of police you
Yeah
got?
man, you can't watch it. You see a jump fence and police go stay.
Brother, listen, me asking, nobody now look at me jump that fence there. When they see me talk about police, and bun Babylon youth.
Why pray?
General,
I wish breeze blow you over here, so why pray?
listen me I say no. You don't know what I say. About things are going on you. When me need know what are going on.
What going?
You don't know what I say. Me I got country. To do some work and right now, you tell my woman say, I will give him a piece of food.
Oh, so that one.
That one is, but right now I'm link to one Rasta boy when I like you. Cause the Rasta boy there.
Where you come from?
I don't know where you come from, brother.
Where harbor?
Where harbor? I don't know where, but it sound like you want to dash with the monster, brother.
No, me just chew you say you don't rate the Rasta boy. Me have Rasta friend too in my G, so no one.
No, that Rasta friend that can't the one there.
Oh.
You see me? What me I say bad man? The man that stop for harbor me woman yard.
See your woman yard in my harbor.
You cannot hear me I say.
So tell us I feel
Listen me I say.
woman too.
Listen me I say. You know, man kept your idea.
Oh.
From but you know as a bad man, I have to take one inside and know you
Allah.
get. You know me I say, but right now, brother, it's a overfull right now, more of my space. Time come now. You understand?
No, they want the
Me a boss I want hug, brother. You want to tell me say we can't boss no hug in a public and something, man, brother. We have to go hide one corner.
What tell us you can't boss hug in a public?
No man, brother, me tell you about brother.
So a sneaky link business she want with you.
Brother, me not even think the bad man. You see me?
Foolishness.
And the rest of the boy, me tell you, so when me come back, I make sure so the boy disappear. You see me? Yes.
So between me and you right now, no food no there for me or there, no food, you no cook up so.
What kind of food?
Cook food, dog, cook food.
Brother, for me, know you always hungry, brother. When me get stay, so brother, me not have no money, me not have nothing, brother. A dry time, no a famine. See me, I get a maga, ribs all I touch on my back too. Nothing not go on. And I two banana, me I look like me can chop and go sell, bro.
No two day over here, so still.
Me say no over here for last week, and me say over here dry until I food in the house and water.
One can near for me tree right
Jesus
now, like me say
Christ.
me I go boil after this. I real life. So we are planning to do the rest of the boil for yard then.
Boy, me ain't plan this line, you know.
See, they say two bowl can't really know.
No, I mean a bad bull, you have to go out. I don't know say you want me telling you everything.
You telling you man everything.
Almost everything, but what I know.
But that them
I
man they come like you know.
you know what say, you know what say, my woman, I know my standard. You know say me a bad man, I pick up everything. Right, me I feel like a pretty boy fly, you know what I mean?
No, they want them.
Yeah, going and,
Yeah,
you know?
mama look for a proper impression
Yeah,
for
man.
you.
All the shop, you know, brother.
I
I miss that, the shop there.
Yeah,
So look more from now.
Me
And me
access
a run it.
I'm be access. You ever broke? And you a stock shop.
No worry no man. This get the money. Me just go do what me have to do. Me don't make you hold up long. Because when you hold up long, you will spend fast. That's why you can trade no brother because money come like you have double funny brother just want to spend. Some say no, 150,000 kilos, they can get that and go start the shop bad man. Yes! Brother, no worry man. Soon as it, you know.
No crackers, no thing.
Crackers, that's water and biscuit man. No. So what me I say? You say soon. When me start in the shop, soon they can go link me and we can shoot behind counter gear, you know what I mean? One case of jack, one case of this, one case of that.
You talk you bush up here stuff. But watch out now you have to go make that them and then say you can't stand this thing.
Brother, watch out now.
Watch out what you do for me. Go to your woman and tell her say 2 bull can real now 1 pen and hear what she have to say. Watch out now man. You see if she give a good answer, you know say everything good but one, you don't know me couldn't do it.
She know I'm dark, you know.
Couldn't do it.
She know I'm dark. And sometimes she know I'm get ignorant because I know I'm right.
You're mad. The first thing. Man a walk and man a construct.
You know man.
Oh, I'm not on that with no man.
You may say no matter man. When you come back, when you go upstairs, come back here. And you don't tell her to by the time come back, we'll make it for nothing. That's the boy now. All time us. Come in and go around and come around. My time now to shine. Yeah, rise and shine.
Long time with
Yeah
that.
man. Yo, watch now. A big concrete house and yo, when we cry like concrete house, me no want to live, you know. A AC and jacuzzi on top, you know. Bar on top, you know. Yo, man, I heard I'm a friend.
Oh, take it time and watch your reward.
I love
But
my
I jump back the fence though that.
No, but I jump back. No, fence.
Walk I gate. No! Walk I gate man.
Alright, before listen.
Sign up and in come. So I want piece off it one, so I'm not friend. A good style that. I hope you know I make your mouth slip and say not when we're not saying no.
Hey! Yo, me tell you this. How are we going?
We are talking.
Let me say me a talk about how are going. Tell me what going. Me I hear too much things. Today me hear from this a long mouth dirty. And then me hear from this a dirty man. Yeah. Yeah, give me bun. Yeah. When me say who me I hear things from? Me I hear things from too much people. You deaf people.
Who are the people?
People them I want like a dirty youth up the road and me I walk past. Me, yo, put the chair in your house. Me tell you say every time when you left the yard, you put the chair in your house. Because I see my sister with the chair around a bush there. Why she have a chair down a bush there?
Your sister come here so we can't stop her from taking.
Oh, you mean you can stop her by put it inside? She have a lock and key if you go in and out? Eh?
No, she don't have no lock
So
and
what you make?
So who tell you things?
When you
That
say who tell me
man
things?
know. Who tell you things?
Alright, so what them tell me, is it true or is not true?
That it's not true.
Don't touch me. Don't touch me. What them, you laugh. You laugh. You ain't afraid of me. Not afraid of me. You feel scared of me. Cause right now, me terrible in my brain. You drink and me junk. That me I tell you. It's true or it's not true?
Not go so.
You mean not go so? So make so much people know then if not go so.
So where you go?
It's either close to go so. What do me say go so? Because you have to come out of the place for some of the case. And that me I tell you. What do me say in what? Your ears now walk. Your little rat ears now walk. Eh? Which your place?
You know, come on, me house come and come and control.
Remember say when you hey stop it. Yo, remember say
road go give other girl money and go on like some innocent man. You don't innocent.
what is the man don't you say? What you talk about? Eh? Remember say when me meet you, this a place there I just foundation when did it. And me build the roof on the side of it. Eh? So I'm gonna take it back then. I'm gonna take it back. Eh? I'm gonna take back the side of the house and the window them. Eh? Yo, don't style me. Don't style me.
No,
Only
you
thing you
don't
own is
style
spot
me.
yourself.
You don't stand me
Hey,
up.
carefully, you dirty finger, you know. Come never put in your body hole. Don't style me. You laugh.
It's like
Don't touch me. Don't touch me. You say don't touch me?
every time they go up on the road, they come back here, yes, they want to come back. They go for me hand. They go me hand.
Yeah, hey. A jail, you want me go today, you know?
Because me not
A
understand.
jail, hey girl, a jail, you want me go today? Eh? You want me go jail today?
Me not understand, you know. I'm trying to tell you, I'm afraid of you. Remember, say I'm me. I take care of you.
You take care of who?
Every money where you want me, give you. So stop, come go like you want to
You take care of me? You take care of me?
I want
Eh?
to take care of you. Who give money this morning? Who give money all the time when you go for me money? The other dirty girl that me I carry money go give them, I give money.
Which kind of money go get dirty
Who
girl?
buy you this
What you mean say
flavour
dirty girl? Hey.
Who buy you this
Girl,
flavour?
I'm going to jail today. Let go me chain.
Who buy you this
Let go me
flavour?
chain. Let go me chain.
Hmm?
Girl, you want me go to jail today?
Who buy you the act?
You want me go to jail today?
Who buy
Father
you the
God, you want me
act?
go to jail today?
Who
You want me
buy
go to
you the
jail?
act?
Let me see who buy me act. Eh?
Yourself.
And the investment, I'm invest for you with your business. Your business now run and make money. Your business now make money. Eh? So if your business never make money, how you get money? Where you get money from? Eh? Tell me that now. Answer that question there. Your business now make money, yes I know. Your business I make... Give me my hat. You're tired and rude. Your business I make money, yes I know.
So what take care of you?
Your business I make money, yes I know.
Yes, my business that make money. I'm gonna tell us something. It's when I hear things on the road, no come rush up in my house like say I want to come
Which up in my house?
in my house.
A piece of house, what you have? Half fighter for me.
But you're in the door.
What?
Then come out, no come out. Why?
Who you talk to?
Go out from me. Why?
You want me to go to jail?
I'm not afraid of you.
You want me to go to jail today?
Come out from me. yard.
Me
Then
say.
I'll do things tonight. Go on where you go. Me I go from the road, go drink some rum.
What do you think you talk to? You think
You
you...
me I talk to you, you be afraid of you?
If you,
Left me side.
name what you name, go drink rum.
Watch me. Give me.
To subscribe is free. And subscribe, yes.
Na. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Ooh. You say love, and then you push it. You say you don't want I make it, but you're just too late. You say love, but you push it. You say you don't want I make it, that's a big mistake. But I know you come around under false pretense, trying to take my energy, trying to mash up my confidence. But I look to the hills from where it's coming my strength. So when you come with your evil plan, Almighty is my defense. Too late shall be the cry, fully protected by the Most High. I don't care who wants to resent. Come on the pulpit, you need to repent. The things you do don't match the things you say. Cause I you say love, but still you push hate. You say I won't make it, but you're just too late. Remember say you say love, but still you're pushing hate. You said I wouldn't make it, that's a big mistake. Yeah. We sidestep them trap, and we no use them up. Yeah. Fully connected to the Most High, and that the signal not drop. I look to the east, from where it's coming my strength. So when you come with your evil plan, Almighty is my defense. Too late shall be the cry, fully protected by the Most High. I don't care who wants to resent. Come on the pulpit, you need to repent. Cause the things you do don't match the things you say. but still you push it. You say I won't make it, but you're just too late. Remember, say you say